Hi, my name is John Kelly, and I'm a trucking accident attorney based out of Phoenix, Arizona. I actually travel and go to wherever trucking accidents happen because my law firm's actually set up to handle these kind of cases. And today, I want to talk to you specifically about tanker truck accidents, which are very common. Tankers are very common on the road, and they're very specific vehicles. The tanker trailer, has a lot of unique properties, and I like to make sure that we understand the federal regulations so that you understand how it was involved in the accident, maybe what are some of the circumstances that caused the accident. So tankers, they're very large trailers, obviously, and they're enclosed, and they are meant to hold gases or liquids. And if they are holding gases or liquids, the question becomes, how full are they? They're not meant to be completely full. So the tankers now have a situation where there's moving liquid within the tank that can be going back and forth and causing kind of issues for the driver stability on the road. There are a lot of things that the drivers need to be trained with to make sure that they're safe on the road with the tanker. If there's too much liquid and the vehicle doesn't have the right tire pressure, that becomes an issue. If there's too little liquid in it, now the adjustments need to be made with the driver. So my law firm, we focus on making sure that we understand your injuries first. And the good news is about tankers is that they're going to be owned by a corporation. So in that circumstance, you're going to have a commercial insurance policy that you're going to be dealing with and not a private policy. So if it was a typical auto accident, we might see a smaller policy. Maybe it's $50,000 or something like that. And that's the limits that you could recover from that insurance policy. But with a tanker, you're going to have a commercial policy, which is usually, at least $500,000, but oftentimes it's $1 million, sometimes $5 million, and upwards of, $10 million or more. So if your injuries are severe enough, you're going to be able to fully recover. And so some of the things that we look at with recoveries of injuries, if you have very severe injuries that are broken bones or, brain injury type of injuries, you absolutely can recover those full policies that are in the millions. But it's important to vet the firm that you're going to hire to make sure that they've handled a case like this and understand how to take the case to trial if needed. The thing about trial is the values of the claims can sometimes get up to multiples, and that's why you see these big verdicts, that you see online. Those are cases that have gone to trial and a jury has said, we think this is what the case is worth. Now, sometimes there's a settlement that's high, but it's usually down the road of litigation. And you may want to settle your case early if you have something on the table, a good offer, and you feel comfortable with it. But if you really want to maximize your value, you need a firm that's willing to take it to trial, who's not afraid to fight with the defense attorneys, because they're going to have law firms that are made specifically for defending the case. If you need to kind of evaluate your case, see if you need experts involved, someone to go to the scene, I can fly out and actually go and meet with you and understand your case. If you need that evaluation on a very serious injury, please feel free to call us. I'll be there to talk you through the situation and see if we're a good fit. Please give us a call here at Kelly Law Team. You can reach us at 602-283-4122.